Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Facebook tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can prevent people from getting access to see your friend list on your profile. So it's very simple. I'll be using a laptop to do this tutorial. You can use a mobile phone to do this as well. Just follow the procedure and you're good to go. So on my Facebook wall, I just hop on settings here. You do see him on your mobile phone too as well. So you scroll down here. I think I should scroll here rather. Good. So on here, you tap on how people find and contact you. Good. So you can see here who can send you friend requests. So this is a new video I'll be doing, and who can see your friend list. So you tap on it here and then you change it. So on default, it should be on public. You can choose your friends. You can choose friends except people you don't want to see that are your friends. In my case, I choose only me. And then done. So that's it. After this, settings, nobody can view your friends list except only you can see the people that are your friends. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, do all to hit the like button and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.